Micah here, and I've got some exciting news. We now have live 24/7 support. We've got 90 certified high-level people, live chat. They'll get on a phone call with you. They'll email with you. They'll accept a Loom. They'll even get on a Zoom with you. They're all certified and all available 24/7. Let me show you how you access them. You go right in here and look for the little chat down here at the bottom. When you're logged into app.goagency, you can search any help article now and click this chat with us, right? Now, you might get an AI agent respond at first, but there will be a live person if you request that, and then they'll take it from there. They'll either chat you to a Zoom link or a phone call or email or Loom video, whatever you want. Also want to show you a few other things. We've got a complete started university here. You can get to this by going to help.goagency, or if you just go to help, you'll see this same chat. So for those of you who don't have our software, maybe you're a website customer, an ad customer, you can get all the help you need there. Of course, they will not answer any questions about your ads, but everything else is on the table. I also want to let you know about every year we do our Black Friday. You get 2 months free. So if you want to pay annually and you're on a $1,300 plan, right, you can save $2,600 by just paying annual. If you're on the $693, same thing. You get 2 months free. You basically get 20% for paying the year in advance. Let me know if you're interested in that Black Friday special. There's a link down below. But enjoy the support. Please give me your feedback. Thank you for pushing me to do this. I should have done it years ago. I know I'm not always available by text and phone call. Now I got a whole team behind me to support me and get you where you need to go. So service is going to be a lot better, and I'm excited about it because they're probably better than me. So anyway, hope you have a great day. Thanks for watching the video. Take care.